Children, in the whole passage, we have seen about I apostrophe D. It's nothing but I would. And what is it? Would is a past tense of will. And it is nothing but a conditional verb. So, what are conditional tenses? They are used to identify about what could happen or what might have happened and what we wish would happen. So, the conditional tenses are the unreal past, not real. They are unreal because we use a past tense, but we are not referring to something that happened in the past. So, they are used to create the conditional sentences which are unlikely or which are hypothetical situations. They are used in past, present, and perfect tenses. And some auxiliary verbs also are important in forming these conditional sentences. Auxiliary verbs means helping verbs like can, could, will, would, may, might. And these conditional sentences are used to imagine the events in certain condition. So this passage is an imaginary story. This author is imagining and writing that she would do like this. So a conditional sentence speaks about real events that always happen. Always it's happening in the passage that she would get up at 6 or 7. She would get up in between 6 and 7. This is the first condition. Real events that always happen. She is speaking about she wakes up between 6 and 7. So it's the real event. Imaginary events. She is speaking about some imaginary events. This is the second condition. What is some imaginary condition in the passage? That she would listen to the birds and the animal noises in summer, or in winter she would sit on the rug in front of fire. And she imagined the past events. That is the third condition. Third condition from the passage, in which it includes imagined past events. What are they? For example, if the weather was good, she would play with the friends in the garden. Or if weather was not good, they would play in the bedroom. So such type of imagined past events she has included in the passage. That is the third condition. So have you understood the conditional tenses or conditional sentences in the passage? Every time it's I apostrophe D is the conditional sentence. That is would, I would do. That is unlikely situation. And it is written not actually which has happened in the past.